Okay, so welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another video here. If you guys missed yesterday's video, obviously you guys would have seen we have some issues with the kouki. I'm not saying cookie, kouki, okay? Kouki. Still the same day that I filmed yesterday's video. I don't have much time, but I'm gonna start a little bit of the work today. So yeah, essentially we have to rip apart the whole front of this, like the whole front of this motor. The front cover has to come off, the lower cover, the crankshaft pulley, the water pump pulley, water pump obviously. Hopefully I can go around taking the timing belt off, but I'll obviously make sure that the motor is top dead center before I go ahead and do anything. But yeah, it's unfortunate. And I also take the radiator out because to get, actually I'll have to take it out regardless, because to tighten the crankshaft pulley bolt, it's like 340 foot-pounds. I had to buy this special tool, and the attachment's like 6 inches long, so no room to stick that in there anywhere. Come on. Yeah, so this has got to come out, which is way easier said than done. I have to take the whole throttle body off, which I have to take the clamp off, and then that pipe falls off, then the throttle body comes off, and this is all so tight in here, it is so hard to access. Like, it all sounds like super easy and like, oh, Kalvin, yeah, that's it. No, this is, this car in general is real tight. Not the good kind of tight, you know what I'm saying? Like, even this lower radiator hose is a pain because it's like a 1/4 inch too small in diameter. So, you know, it's just little things like that just make the whole process just a blast, you know, it's a really good time. I was gonna like talk about this, but decided not really mention it. But I'm gonna say something just because it's so like obvious. But yeah, you know, I get messages every single day saying that, you know, I'm not getting your notifications, you're not in my sub box, nor are like I've been unsubscribed even. Like how messed up. I just don't understand this whole thing anymore. Like so I just want to quickly mention, like, if you guys could please go ahead and just hit that bell and then turn all notifications on. If you guys are a subscriber, I mean, I don't know why you wouldn't want, like, if you're subscribing to a channel, don't you want to get his videos or, you know, their videos? It doesn't make sense if you look at it that way. Like, why would you not want to get notification with his video on if you subscribe to a channel that you want to get videos from? Whatever. So yeah, if you guys could please go ahead, man, it would just make my life way less stressful, and it would just help out a whole hell of a lot. So I appreciate it. And then also, man, I wish some of you guys think, I mean, I guess it would make sense because new viewers are popping in every day. This car is not mine, unfortunately. I know, sad face, yes. Please don't click away from this video. Like, it's still an awesome build. We're still getting the full, we're still, you know, taking this thing to get tuned and everything. It's gonna be cool. So I mean, this is a lot of money right here. I wish I could be able to say I can afford this, but I need my own, I want my own house first and stuff like that. So priorities, that's mine, and the 300's mine, but this, yeah, unfortunately. But hey, I mean, if any of you guys have a build out there that you want to possibly have me help you work on, or do, or finish, or complete, whatever, please hit me up, man. I wanna start like building a name for myself, and so yeah, man, I would love to have my own shop and stuff like that. So you know, we're building that image. We're trying to get somewhere where this build, even though, you know, we did my build, but this build is like a whole new level. Even though I think my build is freaking awesome, but this is like whole next level. So that's why I'm trying to, you know, I'm trying to be really good and make things look nice. But regardless, hit me up if you guys have anything or need anything done. But all right, let's just continue, man. Alright guys, so I'm getting this thing to top dead center, and I just went ahead and we loosen the crank pulley bolt. Basically, if you guys have a 5-speed, just go ahead and put it in 5th gear. You yank that e-brake up as tight as it'll go and put a chock in front of your, well, if you're loosening it, put it behind your wheel because the car's going to want to go back, even if you're in 5th, because you're spinning the motor the opposite way. But if you're trying to tighten it, go ahead, put it in 5th, chock the wheel in front of it, handbrake, and you're good to go. Now on the RB30s, we have 2 tensioners. That's kind of new for me. They're only at like 20 foot-pounds. I tested these and they're only about 22 foot-pounds, the bolts, which seems a little bit light to me, I don't know. There we go. Easy as that. What was that? Just got blasted in the face. I got a mouth full of coolant. Why'd it explode on me? Whoa! Alright guys, so here's my diagnosis. So, if you guys maybe can tell, or yeah, you should be able to tell, there's like a little ledge here, you know? There's a little drop. So essentially, this is where that slotted hole sits. You can almost kind of see, like, very vaguely the outline of it. I can't only see my camera screen, so I don't know what I'm showing you guys, but I think you guys can see that. And essentially, that little slotted hole kind of carries into this drop-down area, just very slightly. So it's because of that, that's where the water's coming from. Here we go. We're about to fix the whole car. The whole RB is about to be fixed with JB Weld right now. So, yes, this is what everyone says that they do. So I guess we're gonna do the same. I wouldn't see why it wouldn't hold up. It's literally like, guys, we have to fill up like that much of the hole, probably like this bottom corner. So what I'm gonna do is we'll mix this up. We'll let it sit overnight, and you know we won't be able to install this till tomorrow. But all right, so I don't know if you guys can see that in there, but I put a piece of tape on the backside, just so she don't seep through, and then basically just want it collecting down on this bottom corner here. Wait, do it? Yeah, okay, yeah, definitely this corner. And I guess we'll come back to this tomorrow, but for now, we're at a halt. Again, I just want people to know that this is okay. JB Weld is okay. This is what people do. I've talked to multiple people already in the past like 30 minutes that said that this is fine, this will work. So no need to worry. So yeah, I mean, just going back to what we were talking about earlier, guys, I don't have a team to ask, so it's kind of like I'm coming to you guys for help. It's just, you know, it's cool to have you guys with me all the time, because obviously there's no one really with me when I'm working. So it's just kind of like, you know, it's just us when it has to do with cars and stuff like that, which, you know, it's okay. Obviously it'd be great to have like a team and some homies that are here that share the same passion and want to do what I'm doing. Excuse me. And want to do what I'm doing and learn and do cool stuff and build cool stuff. We just got to figure something out. And if you guys have suggestions, like I said, I don't have the team to ask, so I'm coming to you guys for some guidance. What do you guys want to see on the channel more of? What do you guys want to see less of? I wish we could get some more people on this channel, have some more personalities instead of just me talking constantly back and forth with you guys. It'd be cool to have like some dialogue with other individuals. Yeah, I've just kind of wanted to toss that out there just because you know, a lot of stuff's been on my mind lately, and I always try to be really real with you guys. I never try and like hide stuff away or be secretive about the whole YouTube thing, because it's this is real life, man, and we all have, you know, hurdles and stuff to kind of overcome. It's just a matter of continuing to grind and just know where you want to go. Not necessarily be focused on where you're at, just know where you want to go, and you will get there. Like for me, I want to get to the point with this channel where we can just continuously to have awesome part upgrades, installs, new cars on the channel. But anyway, that's going to be it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching if you guys have made it to this far. Next video, I definitely want to go ahead and, you know, maybe even start driving this thing around some more on camera, because it's a whole lot of fun, and I feel like I have more fun in it when I'm on camera, if that makes sense. So hopefully we can find some spots in Mexico to get a little sideways, have some more fun with the welded diff, but ideally we need to find someone to roll around with us so we can have a little camera guy that we're we can get some exterior shots, have just a real fun time. So I think maybe that's what you guys want to see more of, you know, is just me enjoying my cars some more. And yeah, so yes, only problem is finding spots, man. Finding spots is way easier said than done, especially like in a place where I live. Like, it's very, very commercial and residential and populated and like very pish posh, you know what I mean? If you guys definitely stay tuned for tomorrow's video, because we're gonna go ahead and button up everything with the RB. I have to still replace my transmission in this thing. I'm just kind of like dreading that. I kind of keep putting it off. As much as like the garage and build videos are cool, I just don't feel that they're that like it's not that great content, you know? As much as like the builds are awesome, it's just not great content, you know. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah. So we'll figure things out, guys. You know, I'm always optimistic like that, and hopefully, like I said, we can start getting this actually rocking and rolling, get some proper steady like income from builds and whatever, YouTube and stuff like that. Then we can really, like, I have so many awesome plans. It's just we're waiting on the funds to be there. So, but all right, guys, I'm out. Have a good night. Thanks so much for watching, man. Have a good night. Later.